It's here.
Is that my stuff? Is that my stuff? Oh, that's it. That's it, baby. Babe, you gotta get the box. I'm so excited. Get it. Get it, babe. Bring it. Bring it.
Oh, it's heavy.
Bring me stuff. Put it there. Put it there.
Get this stuff out of the way.
Get this healthy stuff.
Get this stuff out of here.
Yes. Oh, I can't wait to open it. Here, take this. Yeah, my stuff is here. Yes. That's dogs. Dogs is barking. Can't fool with them right now. This is it. I've been waiting on this since this morning. I swear to God, the man sat around the corner, 1 street over, 2 streets over, for 50 million hours. I think he was just messing with me. Babe. Babe.
Can you do it?
Babe, I'm gonna sit down. Can't get it out the box. I think the box is sealed. It is. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. Finally got this thing out the box, and of course, they got the styrofoam sealed, so. This is like Christmas. Hope he's pretty dead. Feels kind of light, though. I don't know. I'm tired. It was worth getting it out of that box. I mean, what kind of lid is this? We have entered. We have entered.
That's what she said.
Nasty. Yeah. Oh, Lord, this is really like unwrapping a Christmas present. Oh, all the bubble wrap. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is, baby. Do you see that?
Is that the king of all crabs?
Let me pick him up. Which way? I don't know which way I want to do it. Ooh, them spikes is hard too. We gonna have to snip them off, honey. I ain't gonna be able. They got real spikes on there. I think they be snipping those off on our king crab legs. There ain't no way I was cracking these things with my hand. Oh goodness. Let me see. Let me. Ouch! It hurts. The spikes hurt. They are spiky. Make sure ain't nothing else in here that I need to know about. Just ice.
Bags of ice.
Huh?
Bags of ice.
Well, let me move this. Get this out of the way.
Oh, box.
Oh my God, these spikes are hurting. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shave those down before I do a video on this. Ooh, let me get him all.
Can you prop him up one more time? Is it gonna hurt? Is it gonna hurt you? That's exactly how you did it.
It hurts.
Hold on. Let me move in real quick. Stay right there. Stay right there. Let me look at his face. Okay.
Oh my goodness, this big boy is hurting.
You hold him up in there.
Hold him up like that. Yeah, he froze. He real good froze too.
All right, now look at me and smile with him.
Hi.
Gotcha.
Oh my goodness. Excuse the area, y'all. I'll be better for the video. Look at them though. Y'all, these little spikes, they feel like finger pricks. Diabetes tests. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to shave those down. There's no way that I'm gonna be able to sit through a video with these spikes on here. Yeah, they must shave these down for us when we just ordered the crabs. Because these things, do you see how sharp these are? Can y'all see how sharp these are? Oh my goodness, these little thing here. If you feel like a finger prick, like you get ready to get your blood tested for sugar, for the diabetes. Oh my goodness, I wish he wasn't so froze if I can spread them out for y'all can see the length of this thing, but y'all are going to see it in the video. I am super excited. I got my stuff. I got my stuff. I got my stuff. You happy for me? Yeah, you happy for me? I'm happy for me. Y'all, I'll be back anyways. I will be back with a video. I'm going to steam this big boy. I'm going to let him defrost first. I'm going to steam him out, put some seasoning on him, and I'm going to be back.
That thing's so big, you got to name him.
Huh? I got to name him? I don't know, y'all. Give me some name. I'm going to put this video up of the unboxing. Well, comment what y'all think I should name him. Comment what y'all think I should name my big fella, this crab. And I don't want to hear nothing about Corona the crab either. Corona Lachey virus the crab.
That's what I vote for.
Corona the crab. Maybe, I don't know.
Hashtag Corona the crab.
Hashtag Corona the crab. No. Oh my goodness, but he is absolutely huge, y'all. Huge. He hurts though. I'm going to make it to where he can't hurt me. I'm going to have to do something with those. Yeah, we're going to have to. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out, y'all. I'm going to have to take some like little scissors or clippers and get that together. But yeah, oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, this video can't be too long. Anyways, bye, hey, foodie cuties. I forgot to say hey, foodie cuties, but bye, my foodie cuties. We be back when it's time to eat them. Give me a name. Comment a name down there. What we going to call this one. Bye-bye, guys.